bottle of Crystal Geyser is STEM, remember what STEM is, in a bottle. So there's science, technology, engineering, math, and manufacturing is what I'm saying. So it's kind of a cool way to say, does it look, it just looks like a bottle of water, but really all of what you'll see today is part of a STEM curriculum brought to you in something as simple as a bottle of water.
So, since you do bottle at the source, does that give you an advantage or a disadvantage against other companies?
We see it as an advantage.
Okay.
In fact, one of the things you see on we say bottle at the source on all of our packaging. 3 things. Number one, we think it's more environmentally friendly. You don't tanker it. You don't have any diesel trucks running up and down the highways.
Okay.
You're not putting chlorine in it. And we think it doesn't, it's faster and fresher when we can take it right from the mountain source and put it in a bottle for you and deliver it to you the next day. All of our packages are 100% recyclable. If you call us later and say, this bottle tastes funny, we'll ask you to send us the bottle, because then we can track down the date of manufacture and see what it is and just give you analysis on that.
How do you make sure that your facilities and bottling processes are environmentally friendly?
Everything that we do from protecting our source, again, that's the most important thing to Crystal Geyser, is that our bottling source is always protected from no other intrusions. We don't want anybody to build a house or put another plant or even run cattle above our water source, because it impacts the taste of what you and I drink, and we want it to be safe and pure. So when you see that we've got it protected with an underground pipe that comes to our plant, and it really never touches the air until we put it in the bottle and give it to you, we want to make sure that that's safe. And all of what we do internally is make sure that we recycle as much as possible with as little impact on nature that surrounds this plant and our environment. So we're very conscious that we're a natural resource company.
On the tour, we saw labels and wraps. Can you tell us how the labeling process is a part of the manufacturing?
Sure. One of the things to play on is the consistent color. You see that Crystal Geyser's colors are kind of red, white, and blue. Mm-hmm. So there's red always at the top and the bottom. We have a lot of blue in here, and we really think that snow is really kind of representative of the white. So we see that in most of our packaging. Is it magic? No, it's not. It's Crystal Geyser.